Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're all having a fantastic day today. Guys, so I did realize that I haven't done a giveaway in quite a while, and I have purchased a ton of stuff from a lot of different places. And I know you guys are always interested in kind of where you can get it and what prices they are. And I just thought I've purchased so much stuff that I'll do a fun little giveaway for you guys. So guys, we have a box that is packed. It's so packed, I can't even get the lid down. Stuffed with a lot of things that I've purchased and picked up as I've been doing all these hauls. So guys, I'm going to run through quickly everything that's in the box. I'll tell you the boring rules at the end. And I really, really hope you like it. Please, please, please. Do enter the video, please, or do enter the competition. Please do feel free to share. The more people we can get on board, the more exciting that it is. So guys, okay, let's get started with a fun bit. Okay, I'm going to do this really, really quickly because we don't want this video to be 2 hours long. And we've got a fun, beautiful, I'm so sorry, set of chopsticks. I'm not going to touch these chopsticks, but we have a pink set right here if you're interested in eating Chinese authentically. I don't know. I love a pair of chopsticks. I'm trying my hardest to try and figure out how to use them. But I got a pack of 4 and I thought you guys might want to have a pair. I've got this fun little case. Inside the case, we have a little Minions lip gloss. We have some hand lotion, some bath and shower gel, and some conditioner and a little soap. This is an awesome little travel pack if you're going on a staycation. We have some fun Madonna Daydream Vidoe de toilette for her. Really nice. And you're getting 50 milliliters. Right here we have I don't know what's caught in my throat, that's so not good. We have the best memories come from bad ideas long life body scrub. You're getting 150 milliliters of product there. We have a fantastic makeup brush technique brush holder. It holds your brushes. It's got suction cups, so you can pop your brushes in and have them on hand always. We have the PS by Primark natural bamboo toothbrush holder. It comes with a toothbrush. I'm not going to touch it either. We're just going to close it back up again. But again, great for travel. We have a stunning, these are the creamiest, most deliciously scented bars of soap. They're made by Cousins. It's an Imperial Leather Dreamy Donuts Sweet Treat Shop soap, and it is 100 grams. We have got a DNM matte lipstick, 24-hour lipstick and lip liner I will show you the color, in this color lipstick. Great because it also has the lip liner to match. I love black on gold and black on silver packaging. It always just looks super rich, but you're getting that as part of this giveaway if you're the lucky winner. We have a bath bomb with a mystery surprise inside. We have a buffer pad. Amazing for if you remove your tan or dead skin around your feet. These are fantastic. I swore by these. We have a set of 2 plump your eye like rose gold eye masks. We have the Collagen gold lip mask. We have 2 sets of I love these stickers. I use stickers mostly. This is actually nail polish that I bought from Primark, and I did that in a video recently, I think. But I love these nail stickers. They're simple, so easy to do. They are press on and go, no messing around. And you have 2. They are black with silver stars, and we have 2 packs, not just 1, but you're getting 2. We have 2 packs of these gorgeous nail stickers. The same, you pop them on, file them over your actual natural nail, And then I always put a top coat on just to keep it more secure. But these are no nonsense, no mess, easy to apply, easy to take off, and super. They're just super if you want a quick transformation. We have some nail products. We have a nail fan brush. You'll see a gorgeous little pink fan brush. And to accompany, you have some black nail glitter. This is a huge bag of nail glitter. We have a microfiber face cleaner. This is great for removing the top coat of your makeup before you go in with your cleanser, your toner, your cleanser, and your moisturizer. Nearly forgot my morning routine. And the last thing that we have inside this bag is an intensive 1 week hydration treatment. They're hyaluronic acid. They're moisturizing, regenerating facial essence. And there's 7 nourishing anti-aging apostle serums. I don't know what that means. I use these. I think they're fantastic. You get these in, I can't remember where I got these, but they're really, really good. I don't use these every single day. I use one, and then the next day I'll use moisturizer, and then I'll use one and I'll use moisturizer. So these usually, even though they say they're only a 1 week hydration treatment, I wouldn't use these every day. If sometimes I stretch it out to 2 days that I won't use them, but I do like these. They do make my skin feel a lot firmer. It gives it plumpness. I'm so sorry, guys. I have something absolutely caught in my throat. So, guys, oh my goodness. This is everything that you're going to be kind of competing for. Is that the right word? These are the items that you're going to be entering in the competition, and hopefully you will be the lucky winner. So guys, the rules. Unfortunately, I can only post within the UK due to COVID. So this giveaway is clearly only opened in the UK. For the rest of you guys around the world, if there are any of you guys around the world, I do apologize. Once we get COVID free and we're all back up and running, I will do a worldwide giveaway, but unfortunately for now, UK only. You guys, I would love it if you could leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know where you guys are at. You need to be a subscriber. You definitely need to like this video, and you need to leave a comment in the comment section below. All winners will be selected, or the winner will be selected randomly. This video is not sponsored by anybody. I've purchased all of these items, and this is just my way of giving back to you guys for being loyal, supporting me, and just a way to kind of, I think, show you guys my appreciation. So again, quick recap of the rules. It is only open in the UK. Sorry to the rest of the world. You must be a subscriber. You must like the video, and you must leave a comment in the comment section. Guys, I'm probably going to keep this open for approximately 3 weeks. I don't really like to put likes and subscribers on. That doesn't really bother me. But I'm going to probably leave this open for 2 or 3 weeks. When we get to that point, I will close the competition, and we will announce the winner. So good luck. Take care, everybody. Stay safe. I wish you all the best, and I'm going to catch you next time. Bye, everybody. Bye.